Hello students, today we are going to start Excel 4.2. See what is given in the first question. Which one of the following options is true and why? This linear equation in two variable is given. Linear equation in two variable is given. We have to check whether this equation having unique solution, only one solution, or infinite many solution. So only unique solution is wrong. Only two solution is also wrong. This given pair of equation, this given equation in two variables having infinite many solutions. This is the right answer. Now I want to explain why. Because every value of x, their corresponding another value is there. Okay? Suppose I take x equal to 1. I suppose x is 1. So I want to substitute the value of x in this equation. Write down this equation. 3x plus y. Now instead of x I take 1 and all number I going to remain same. Now see, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 5 8. When I take x equal to 1 in this equation, the value of y become 8. Okay, so this is the first solution. When I take x value 1, there is value of y become 8. Now you can take when x equal to 2. When I take x equal to 2, what happened? Y equal to 3 into 2 plus 5. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. It means when we take x value 2, the value of y become 11. Every value of x, there is another value of y. So you can take so many values here. You can take x equal to 1, y x equal to 2, x equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, minus plus number you can take. Now I will take one negative number. Suppose I take x equal to minus 3. Okay? After taking x equal to minus 3, what is the value of y? Y equal to 3x plus 5 is given. Instead of x, I write minus 3. Okay? Minus plus minus minus 3, 3s are 9 plus 5. Again plus minus minus, whose sign is taken, larger number sign is taken, so it become minus. So this become 4. So y become 4. It means minus 3 and minus 4 is the solution of the question. This is the equation, given equation. So many values you can find. So answer become infinite many solution. There are so many values. You can take value of x 1, 2, 3, 4. So many numbers are there. So answer is infinite many solution. Now I want to solve second question of exercise 4.2. See what is given. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. 3 equations are there. We have to find only 4 solutions. As you know in your previous question is how many solutions any pair of linear equation having. If it is represent pair of linear equation in two variable, every equation in two variable having infinite many solution. From infinite many solution, I want to write only 4 solutions. Okay, as you know, every linear equation in two variables having infinite many solution. From infinite many solution, we have to write only 4 solutions. Okay, this is the question. So this can be written as, can I take 2x from right to left? So this become y equal to 7 minus 2x. After writing this, I want to substitute the value of x. Since 4 solutions are required, so I make 4 boxes here. And I substitute the value of x 0, 1, 2 and 3. Because 4 solutions are there, so I take x equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. You can take any value. You can take negative also. Okay? I take 0, 1, 2 and 3. See, when x equal to 0, this implies this equation become this. Instead of x, I write 0. So this becomes 7 minus 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. So y becomes 7. So when x is 0, value of y becomes 7. When x equal to 1, write instead of x 1. So this becomes y equal to 7 minus 2 into 1. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. So value of y become 5. Right here 5. Now when x equal to 2, this implies, right, instead of x 2. 7 minus 2 into 2. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 2. When x is 2, y become 3. So write here 3. Next, when x equal to 3, this implies y equal to 7 minus 2 into 3. Instead of x, I write 3. So 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. When x is 3, y become 1. So I write here 1. This is the required for solution of this equation. Similarly, you can solve this. I take pi x from right to left. So this become 9 minus pi x. Now I want to substitute 4 values of x. Every corresponding value of x, there is another value of y. So I want to put the value of this x. I take 0, 1, 2 and 3. Same number I want to take here. So right here, when x equal to 0, this implies the given equation, instead of x I write 0. As you know, 0 into something 0. So 9 minus 0 is 9. So when x equal to 0, y become 9. So I write here 9. Okay. Next time, take x equal to 1. When we take x equal to 1, so this x become 1. So pi into 1 is pi. So this is going to represent 9 minus pi. So write here 9 minus pi. When x equal to 1, so y become 9 minus pi. Similarly, this become 9 minus 2 pi and this become 9 minus 3 pi. How I want to solve this? See, when x equal to 3, write 9 minus pi. Instead of x, I write 3. So 3 into pi become 3 pi. So answer become 9 minus 3 pi. This is the 4 required solution of this equation. Now I want to write this. 4 solutions are required. Now in this time, I am going to put the value of y, because in right side value of y is there. So I write 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now I take y equal to 0. This implies this given equation is become y 0. 4 into 0, 0. It means when I take y 0, so x is also 0. Okay. Now I take y equal to 1. This implies this x is equal to 4 into 1. 4 into 1 is 4. It means when y equal to 1, value of x become 4. Write 4 here. Next time, take y equal to 2. When y is 2, so write instead of y 2, 2 4s are 8. It means when y equal to 2, so value of x become 8. Write 8 here. Next time, take y equal to 3. This implies when y become 3, instead of y I want to write 3. 3 4s are 12. It means when y is 3, then x become 12. So write here 12. This is the required 4 solution of the given 3 equations. Okay, beta? It is very simple. Try it yourself. Now I will to solve third part of exercise 4.2. Check which of the followings are solution of this equation. This linear equation 2 variable is given. We are going to check which of the following are the solution of the given equation. Okay. First I want to check first part. So I want to check first part. In first part, what is given? 0 and 2. It means in this I want to put the value of x 0 and value of y 0. After putting x equal to 0 and y equal to 2 in this equation, if both the sides become equal, then this is the solution of the given equation. If both the sides, left hand side and right hand side are not equal, then it means this is not the solution of the given equation. Okay. Now take x equal to 0 and y equal to 2 in the left hand side. I want to write the left hand side. X minus 2y. In x, I want to write 0. Instead of y, I want to write 2. So this becomes 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. So left hand side is equal to minus 4. What is written in the right hand side? In right hand side, it is written 4. Are minus 4 and 4 are equal? No, these two are not equal. So this implies left hand side is not equal to right hand side. When these two sides are not equal, therefore 0 and 2 is not solution of given equation. This is the answer. Okay. Now I want to check third part. In third part, what is given? 4 and 0. I want to take x equal to 4 and y equal to 0. I want to put this value in the left hand side of this equation. So write here left hand side. Left hand side is x minus 2y. Instead of x, I want to write 4 minus 2. Instead of y, I want to write 0. So this becomes 4, 2 into 0, 0, 4 minus 4 equal to 4. So left hand side it becomes 4. Now check its right hand side. In right hand side what is written? In right hand side it is written 4. Now check, are these two are equal? Yes, 4 is equal to 4. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. When these two sides become equal, therefore 4 and 0 is solution of given equation. So this is the answer. I want to solve fourth part. For fourth part, I take x equal to root 2 and y equal to 4 root 2. Now I want to substitute these two values in the left hand side of this equation. So left hand side is x minus 2y. Instead of x, I want to write root 2. 2. Instead of y, I want to write 4 root 2. So this becomes root 2. Same. 2 for the 8 root 2. Now what is common between these two? Root 2 is common. Take root 2 common. When I take root 2 common, what is left? 1. Because every number is a factor of 1. 1 is the factor of every number. When I take root 2 common, when I take this root 2 common, what is left? 1 is left. When I take root 2 common, what is left? Minus 8. As you know, plus minus minus. So this becomes minus 7 root 2. This becomes minus 7 root 2. Left hand side become minus 7 root 2. Now it's check its right hand side. In right hand side, what is given? 4 is given. Are these two values are equal? No. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So what is your answer? Therefore, this value root 2 and 4 root 2 is not solution of given equation. It means this is not the solution of given equation. I hope it is clear now. Now I want to solve last question. Question number 4 of Excel 4.2. See what is given. In this question we have to find the value of k. If x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is the solution of this equation. When x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is solution of this equation, it means both the sides are equal. As in previous question, we check whether the given values are solution or not. How we check? If left hand side and right hand side both become equal, then it is going to solution of the equation. In this question, it is given already that these two values are the solution of this equation. It means when these two values are solution of this equation, it means both the sides are already equal. Okay, we have to do only, instead of x, I want to write 2 and instead of y, I want to write 1. It means we have to substitute the given value in the given equation. In this way, we get value of k. This is very simple question. So I write the given equation again. Given equation is 2x plus 3y. Instead of x, I want to write 2 because value of x is given 2. And instead of y, I want to write 1 because value of y is 1. And k is going to remain same. 2 2s are 4, plus sign is there. 3 1s are 3 equal to k. As you know, 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So this is the final answer. K is equal to 7. This is your answer. This is very simple. Only you have to substitute the given value in the given equation. When you are going to substitute this value in this equation, you got the value of k. This is the requirement of this question.